You've heard of the words a, an, and the. These are called articles. You know that they should be used before nouns. Now, did you also know that there are some situations that you should not use these in front of nouns? These are called zero articles, and we'll talk about where to use them and when to use them correctly. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So what are articles? In a way, they're sort of like adjectives. They describe the noun or give a little bit of information about the noun. Specifically, whether it's a specific thing, an unspecific thing, whether it's a singular thing or not. You usually use them in front of nouns. For example, a and the. These are the nouns, or rather the articles that we use. Zero article is a situation where the noun has zero articles in front of it. It means that no articles will be used before the noun. Some examples. He ordered ham and eggs. Do you want coffee or tea? Let's explore the rules of this much more in detail as we go forward. Before which, a quick word about Capshine. With Capshine, you get to speak, learn, and practice as a group. You get access to monthly fluency trackers to know where you are every month. You get a personal coach who gives you customized feedback. And of course, access to daily micro lessons and live classes so you can build your foundation and become a confident and more capable user of the English language. Let's continue. What are the rules that define zero articles? Well, you use zero articles with uncountable or plural nouns. Plural nouns are countable, but if they are plural, you do not use articles. For example, fresh bread smells delicious. Fresh bread is uncountable. Bread is uncountable. You can't have 12 bread, right? You can have 12 slices of bread, but bread itself is uncountable. So I cannot use an article in front of it. Similarly, flowers is a plural countable noun. I will not use an article in front of it. Let's look at the other case. Use zero article with meals, sports, or name of places. For example, what do you want for breakfast? That's a meal, right? You wouldn't say, what do you want for a breakfast or the breakfast? Those are incorrect. You will not use articles before names or rather meals in itself. Do you play cricket? It's the name of a sport. I will not use an article in front of it. Similarly, my friend lives in Australia. Names of countries or rather places is something you will not use articles in front of. You will not say my friend lives in the Australia or a Australia, right? Let's look at the next situation. Use zero articles with languages, meaning if you're going to use the name of a language, you will not use articles in front of it. For example, he speaks Spanish. You will not say he speaks the Spanish. If you're talking about people from Spain, you will use, the Spanish have come, right? You could use it in that way, but you're not talking about the language anymore. She knows Japanese. Again, you will not say she knows a Japanese or the Japanese. That changes the meaning. She knows Japanese. To talk about the language, you will not use articles. Use zero articles with days, weeks, and months. So when you're providing names of the day, week, or month, you will not use articles before it. Next week, we will have a test. Again, you will not qualify this with an article. Your appointment is on Monday. You will not say your appointment is on the Monday. That is incorrect. My birthday is in June. Again, you will not say my birthday is in the June or in a June. It's just June without an article. Zero articles in this case as well. Let's put it all together and see if we can figure out whether there should be an article or there should not be an article in each of these cases. Let's play blank cards together. So it's the name of a game. So for names of games, you do not put articles in front of them. So that's a zero article. I can write only blank Hindi. Hindi is the name of a language. Do you put an article in this case? Of course not. So zero article again in this case too. How about here? I think I have fever. Do you think that is correct? It isn't. This doesn't belong to any of the zero article cases. This is a noun. You have to give it an article. I think I have a fever. Great. I hope you found this useful. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to not miss videos like this again. And to check out your 30-day free trial with Capshine, go to capshine.com or download the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.